seek tips you can secure yourself. Holy shit. Look at this. Incredible. Whoa, this is about to be very dodgy. Do. Yep, all good. Is okay? Oh. This easy. Okay. Follow the red ribbon.
Yeah.
Woo! Okay, and then climb up there?
Yeah.
Can you take? Yeah, that's good. Are you okay?
你来这种。
他怎么不穿衣服呀？
咩啊？要落去咩？
唔係我打卡啊！
落去打卡。上啦，落去打咩卡啊？
唔好打嘛！
嚇！唔好落去影啊，危險啊！
唔係啊，我一條車咁落去啦。
上去啊！呢度唔靚喎。嚟啊！人哋嗰個喺邊度嚟㗎？唔好啦，堅持。 有冇影啊？下邊你落影相啊
It's filming.
唔好落啦，相啊，落做乜啫？有咩靚喺度？ 唔好落啊，咁危險啊嗰度。
落嚟啊！
唔好啊，你落喺度落，你嗰度唔好落啊，跌死你啊！
邊度落啊？
唔落啊，出落影相㗎嘛。
哦，唔好落啊，唔好落啦。佢又話其他個池啊，其他池喺上面好影啊。個池喺邊度？定係個池喺邊度可以游到水底個嘛？
上邊啊，再上啊。
OK，唔好落呢個危險啊！
喂，行啊，先姐唔好影啊。
We okay？
啲 photos 啊你。喂，唔好影啊，行啊！唉，我哋上去先啦，咁樣。喂，先姐，係咪一路上啊
？Okay。
Ờ,
唉，大佬，你唔係冇咩行啊？係啦，我放慢嗰度。I help. You okay? Okay. We leaving our bags here. 我哋上去啦，你上去啦。Yeah. No, go up there. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm going. Okay. Okay, go. 我哋唔好落啦，你撈呢條邊。我哋唔落啦，你哋慢慢影相啦。Wow, this is awesome. 哇，大佬，我收翻。好，拿咧，拿咧。There we go. Ah. Where are we going? Deep into the Hong Kong rainforest. What's this branch you grab? Some of the loose. Are we going to the third waterfall? Yeah. Okay. But be careful here, Sid. Yeah. This is a very dangerous bit. Yeah. Okay. You be extra careful there, mate. You call me if you need me to come back. Yeah. I'll come straight back. You okay? Okay. This bit. Okay. Another way to do it. My foot's stuck. This is fucking wild. This is absolutely crazy. Wow. Gosh. Thank God I brought these nice boots. Perfect for this. Literally, Timberland's worth a treat up here into the Hong Kong jungle. Pick up that litter. Sorry, he dropped a bottle. Okay. So I pick it up for him. And people do this on a regular basis. But it's challenging. Yeah. Okay. Yep, just be careful there, mate. There's lots of rubbish in the way. Yeah, it is. Careful, slippery. Yeah. The question is, we have to get down. Yeah. I've got your bottle. You alright, Sid? Hả?點咪行過？你話行上嚟，大哥？點行走啊？你點翻返去啊？ Let's wait for Sydney.
唔係冇得回頭啊！你要快，大佬我唔係啊，我換晒，我而家都未換衫。
You okay? You got this?
Yes.
Yes, okay. No help?
Yes.
You need
大
help?
哥你翻度，你話有個鋪啊嘛，大哥，
Jesus.
有鋪去咗邊啊？
Holy shit, look at that.
係咯，
占士，佢行過嘛？呢度我呢個未行過喺度。
How are you wearing flip-flops up here?
等埋佢先啦，就呢度都冇絲帶。
又冇絲帶，又冇嗰個詞。
We stuck. Stop.
嚇
Stop.
係 stop。
佢又冇嗰個詞。
佢又冇絲帶喎。
係啊，係啊。
占士，
I don't think...
嗰度有乜好影啊？嗰啲相嘅。
多 Q 魚啦，係。
Don't think we can go any further right now. Looks a bit.
Yeah,
It looks a bit overgrown.
我唔知去邊度行，
I'm not
同
sure
埋
what's
行唔行到㗎，
going
我
on, to
懷
be
疑
honest.。
行啊，肯定行到嘅。
咁你點行啊，大哥？
See,
間就係直
seems
上
like there's
定
no
打
path
橫
forward.
咯。
佢咪呢咪仲有個詞㗎嘛
I？think we have to
上
go back.
邊咯，
唔係就係嗰個，
唔係嗰個，佢話有個壩好大㗎上邊。
去邊度㗎？
上邊咯。我呢家唔知係直行定係打橫行啊。
係咯，
佢冇絲帶睇啊。
係咯。
我未嚟過呢度。
What's up?
上次佢同阿香文嚟㗎嘛。
我點知啊？係啊。
What's wrong, Sid?
等埋佢
We
啦。
said 點啊？You waiting to Jim because we don't know the way. We don't know how to go it.
好難啦，然後嗱，呢度啲路。
It looks like that's the path there, but it's overgrown, so we have to push through.
Yes.
Okay.
呢啲係咪路嚟㗎？
理論上就係嘅。我又未換衫，乜都未搞喎，大哥。佢話上面有詞。係啊，大佬，我而家咁樣好危險㗎，咁樣行。
We keep
係
going?
啊，
呢條係咪路嚟？
Fucking bad.
係路嚟㗎啦，係路嚟啦，係路㗎啦。
Shall I try and go?
I think it's a road to be.
It looks like you can go through. Look how high up we are. It's crazy.
I think.
Lower this bag down a bit. It'll help me get through.
應該路嚟嘅呢條。
係路嚟㗎。
Ah, well done. Good job. Good job. You find it. Ah, look at the ants. Hundreds of them. Holy moly. Oh, shit. There's a fucking spider there.
No problem, no problem.
Oh, fuck.
problem.
It's a problem for me. I know, like,
佢話見到呢隻嘢好驚。
fucking hell. Move. Go, 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 go.
睇下先。
Please go.
屌
Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's fucking huge. Oh my gosh. Please.
呢度都唔知。
We must go.
真係冇人行過呢度。
點啊？而家點樣行法啊？
I think we're getting lost here. I worry, guys.
嗱，佢條溪仔喺下邊嘅，應該啱嘅。但係呢度山到密晒喎。
I think we're lost here, Sid.
係咯。
Oh, my glasses.
邊有路啊？
What's the problem?
I think we lost.
We
Is
lost
it down there?
攞嚟。OK。
喂，呢度真係嗰啲樹生密晒喎。
係啊，唔係喎，呢個唔係喎。
So I'm putting this away now because
Put inside, put inside.
so there's not much battery left here. So we're going to just use this. This is the descent down that we just did up. It's pretty crazy. There's fucking spiders everywhere. It's wild. Proper in the Hong Kong jungle. Look. Incredible. Look at this fucking place. There's just walk up here. It's crazy.
你話唔想嚟嘅，我哋跟住落去咯。係咯。佢又冇話喺下邊。我諗係呢度。
Fucking spiders are everywhere, man. There's fucking insects eating my legs. All sorts. Let you just look for the bushes. Look. That's where we are right now. Remember the way back, or still go up?
Maybe
a little bit.
一陣間越踩越深，你咪大鑊。
係啊。
佢自己行鬼咗去喎，屌真係！
呢度有好斜㗎，我都唔點落。
You okay? Be safe.
Okay, I'm okay.
Be safe.
Be safe. Yeah.
In flip flops.
Yes.
Absolutely wild.
Yes.
You guys are so brave, you know.
Yes. He's
Pro.
Thai-san. He's Thai-san. Thai-san.
Okay. Now I come.
Different. He's Thai-san. We are ordinary people.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're different.
Actually, mate, I need to get. Look at this I'm about to do. This is crazy. Look at this. Oh my god. Scratch my leg. Fucking bugs crawling over me. Got one hand because I've got a stupid fucking camera because I'm a tool. Okay. You okay? I've got first aid kit if you need.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, plasters, 2 to 3 more, that shit.
Okay.
Right, this bit here is very dodgy. We must be careful.
Okay.
Whoa. Shit. You okay?
I'm okay.
Sorry to keep asking, I just want to make sure you're alright, mate.
Okay.
I care maybe too much. Look at this. I think the battery's going to die on this one. Whoa! Oh my gosh!
Hiya.
Be safe.
Hiya, so.
They put red ribbon everywhere just to remind people where they're meant to go. So when you see that, you know you're on the right path.
Hey, 你走嘢邊度啊？
Oh, closer to the waterfall now.
Okay.
I'm not sure which way he went here. This looks like the safest route. I have to take my own route. Let's make my own route. Come on. Ah, there's the rope, look. I can't believe we just did this. Another sign. Ah. Can I see any red rope anywhere? You see, they were down. Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Good. Let's keep going. Keep rolling. Another ribbon. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. People coming up here with their wives for walks and things. This is what people do in Hong Kong. They're out here. Look at this spider. Oh my gosh, this is the biggest one I've seen. Look. Holy moly. You have to be careful, they're everywhere. Everywhere, literally. There's fucking spiders everywhere, man. Where's the ribbon? There's some more ribbon. Where to now, Sydney?
No. No more.
See? We've got ribbon there. So that takes you, that's not safe down there. You can't go that way. Surely not. Has to be this way. No? This way. Are you going? This way. Our guide has kind of just like walked ahead and forgot about us, unfortunately. He's the guy that knows what he's doing. I don't know where it is. This way, Sid.
Okay, coming.
I think. I don't know. Our guide's gone. I found more ribbon. I found some more ribbon, so it's this way. Just
Why?
thank you to the people who put this ribbon up, because it lets you know where you need to go, and it's a lifesaver. When you're doing all this, look at these rocks, they're all so unstable. There's more ribbon here. Look, this is the way I found more ribbon.
Yeah.
This way. Here we go, look.
I have to take a photo.
Do you think you catch something? Ah, I see. Yeah.
A lot of people use this tool to dig the shell out of shore. 鹹水交界咯。
佢啲鹹水都仲未入嚟。兩條啊！
係咯。
兩條啊！嚇嗱，係嘛？
係喎。
下邊有一條啊！啊，唔係喎，影嚟㗎係嘛？
一條。
一條啫。
放鱸魚嚟㗎係嘛？唔係。
係鱸魚唔係咁嘅。
唔係。
一定唔係鱸魚。
鯉魚啊！
又唔係依家金山質。
唔係鯉魚啊！係啊，大頭，好似大頭魚嚟嘅 heavy， 550 now still at time。
These dried fish products here, look. So what's all this? Is this like dried fish?
This is dry fish.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, they're all dry fish.
You can smell.
The smell is very strong, like
very
in
strong.
Italy, I think. Italy or Greece, something like that. Similar.
Yeah?
In Greece, yeah. Small island of Greece, similar. Maybe the display is different, but border is similar. This one. Okay, we can buy beer here.
Let's do it. Just everywhere you look, there's just mountains, scenic views.
嚟咗未啊？冇人嘅。
This is a beautiful place, Sydney. I love it. This is a beautiful place, mate.
Okay. The person 550.
It's 5:30.
Okay.
Plenty of time.
係咪呢度啊？好多謝。今天不加價，40蚊。
She come back. She'll come back.
She come back.
The last batch, I used all three.
Okay.
I used all three. Look at this place. This is wild, and you've got the mountains there. Strangely, HSBC seems to be there for some weird reason. No idea why. HSBC's everywhere. Church. And this is Tao Market.
Yeah.
This place has just got loads of fresh fish. Loads and loads of fresh fish. Look at this. Very nice. I don't think I don't eat any of this.
Doesn't smell great either, to be honest. Very nice. So on a particular day,
Yeah.
this place is very busy.
Yeah, maybe
Because it looks quiet for a market.
usually it is very busy, but in Sunday because I don't know today because very hot or another reasons. And then 2 years ago there's thousands of people tourists here.
Really?
The bus, but the people waiting bus more than 100, 200 or 300 people waiting for bus queue very long. Yeah, because I'm here 2 years ago, 3 years ago. Yeah, I remember.
Wow. So where we go now? Just down here to look.
Yeah, this sunset very. Let me see. This is a very traditional building. Ah, it's a hotel over there. It's a hotel. Yeah.
Very cool. Can barely read the stuff in there. There's so much.
Yeah.
This is water treatment.
Yes.
Yeah. Imagine being born here.
Ah.
Imagine being born and living here.
Oh.
Not much here, you know?
Yes.
Must be very difficult to leave. You know? Look at this place, Sydney.
Yeah.
There's not many places in the world that are like this. Well, there isn't, is there?
Oh.
When you come from the West, you know, in Western
It's
society,
different.
you wouldn't.
It differs.
Yeah. The people very happy here.
Yeah.
They seem happier than they do in the
Yes,
West.
very happy because
Yeah, it's very
it's okay because life is very
easy.
easy.
Yeah.
Ah.
That smells
No,
nice.
no.
Whatever that smell is, that smells
No,
really nice.
yeah.
But yeah, just
And
people
those-
seem so happy here.
Yeah, they don't need too much money.
Yeah.
Post office.
Ah. Walking down the street, pretty woman.
Okay, we can go back to take a boat. Okay?
Yeah.
550. Yeah.
Can we grab a beer for it, please?
I don't know.
Do they not-
Maybe, yes.
They not let or?
Yes, yeah, I think
Oh,
so.
there's a cat. I've not seen any cats in here.
Yeah, there are many cats in Hong Kong.
Hello.
四蹄踏雪啊！呢只，
Hello.
咁靚啊，係啊，係喎，
哇，
係喎，係喎，
嗰啲貓毛幾靚你啊！
係啊，好靚喎，
呢只靚啊！呢只貓，
呢隻靚喎，
嗰啲毛咧好似人哋嗰啲皮草咁啊！
係啊，
呢只貓靚，呢只貓，
貓，
因為你一睇啲毛色就知㗎啦。
叫 L 字啊
L 字 L 字 ，OK L 字
Isn't that LT?
，L 字。
LG. Hello, LG. Hello.
，Hello L 字
LG. Oh.
L 字，Don't be shy here，哦，
哇！嗰啲貓尾好少咁長嘅喎。
係咩？
係啊，
靚
好少咁長嘅貓尾。
Oh, there's another cat there. Look. There's another cat there. Look. Look at that cat.
幾有性格啊！呢只貓。
係啊，幾多靚嘢啊？係啊，
唔識喵。
哎呀，你走咗啦？係啊，哇，幾靚佢個咧？好啊，收翻轉塔完啊嘛，呢個啦，
嚟未啫？
嚟唔好理啦，呢個都要搭㗎，唔係 last 㗎啦。
in the village of Tower. Doesn't look like there's much here really, but everybody's very happy. I think they're happier here than they are in the west. Much happier. Everybody's very, very happy. All smiles everywhere. You can see for yourself what it's like. It's beautiful, you know, but yeah, just crazy. Everyone's so happy here. What a lovely place to be. Lovely, lovely place.
OK， 我唔知唔知，我冇所謂。我嗰時揸帆船都係咁啊，挨住帆船。哦，好型啊！你帆船呢快艇幾快先得㗎？唔係啊，佢好慢嘅啫。哇，啷來啷去㗎，嗰時啲船都啷。
但係你咁熱，你真係都未必有嘢睇嘅。
我唔知啊，唉。
我哋嗰陣時咧，就呢家出去咧，就有啲一喺度。但係你咁熱咧，未必睇到。
是但啦，係咁上下啦，係。嚟到咪玩下咯，唉。
Look at that view.
嚟到咪算咯，係咁上下㗎，係啊。
如果你消費40蚊，比佢哋嗰邊國家。
Quite a few public toilets here, considering for a little fishing village. There's quite a few public
嚟到
toilets.
我哋 end 車去啦。
嗰陣時就冇咁平喎。
Very
嗰陣時
cool.
都係40蚊。
快咯！
Imagine you wake up every day to this view, eh? What a life. Look at this. Waking up every day to that. It'd be difficult to be unhappy. Very difficult. This is a beautiful place. Very special.
幾次啊？啲都係啲 friend 嚟到，唉，又要搭咪搭咯。我依家入嚟啊，多數買啲啊，啲 friend 嚟到咪，唉，咁多年佢都冇乜加價，係啊，我而家買翻去蒸下肉餅啊。
Are the others waiting for us at the boat road?
Yeah, okay. 5:50.
Are they there? Will they be there?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Where did they go?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know where they are going. I don't know.
依家靜咗好多大佬，哇！嗰陣時啲人多到啊，
哇！我3年前喺呢度人多到啊，
多到好犀利。
哇！排巴士啊，排咗2個鐘以上都去啊。
巴士啊，你真係走嗰陣時你
係啊，我咯。
Look at this. Beautiful.
哇！由6點幾排到8點上車啊！係啊，幾恐怖。
If you're from the West and you come to Hong Kong or Asia in general, you need to come to Ta O Fishing Village. This place is very special. You know, just look, mountains. Look at this view. You know, and everybody's here so nice. It's great. Look, HSB's even there. You know, look at this place.
去翻頭先個第一檔啦，第一檔40蚊啫嘛，簡單嘅。去翻嗰檔咯，去翻嗰檔就40蚊。係啊，即係果椒嗰啲。唔好理啦，我哋自己拿到嘅。佢哋班人唔知做乜，唉。
Wow, look at the houses built on stilts. Hey?
Okay, take a bit, not so good. Okay.
大澳嗰條斜路嗰位啊，去咁遠。咩啊？如果你行嗰山翻去，
俾翻啲錢我啊。
得，我翻去就彎下。
OK。
我冇乜數啊，冇乜數據啊。
Yes. Yes, very much.
你有相咧掟俾我啊！
I understand that, yeah.
你有相掟俾我。